Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we are having a question based on law of conservation of momentum, which is an in-text question here, and this is from chapter 8, force and laws of motion. However, this particular part of the question and topic is not there in syllabus now at present new NCERT textbook. However, we will solve this question so that students can understand. So here they are saying that two objects of masses 100 gram and 200 gram are moving along the same line. So two objects are there. Let us see. Here it is object 1 and here it is object 2. This object is having a mass m1, that is 100 gram, and it is converted into kg. So 100 is divided by 1000. So it will be 1 jar, 10 jar. It is 0.1 kg. For object 2, mass it is m2, that is 200 gram. Now 200 gram to be converted into kg, so 200 divided by 1000. So 201 jar, 205 jar. So it is 1 upon 5 kg. Are moving along the same line in the same direction with a velocity of 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second. So initial velocity of the object, that is u1, object 1 is 2 meter per second, and initial velocity of object 2, that is u2, is 1 meter per second. They collide, and after the collision the first object moves with a velocity 1.67 meter per second. This is the first object, so v1 is 1.67 meter per second, and determine the velocity of the second object. So v2 is not known for us, so I'm considering v2 as x meter per second. Now apply law of conservation of momentum. So law of conservation of momentum says that the total momentum before collision m1 u1 plus m2 u2. This total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. After collision momentum will be m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So we need to put the value. So by putting the values we will get it down. As we need to find out v2 here, we can just conceptualize the formula. So it will be somewhat in this way. We need to put the values first. So m1 is given as 0.1 kg, u1 is given as 2 meter per second, plus m2 is given as 1 upon 5 kg, and u2 is given as 1 meter per second, equal to m1 is given as 1 upon 10 kg, v1 is given as 1.67 meter per second, plus m2 is given as 1 upon 5 kg, and v2 is given as x, or simply v2 meter per second. Now we just solve the question. It is 1 upon 10, so I will write the full value. It is your 1 upon 10 multiply with 2 kg meter per second, plus 5, 1 upon 5 multiply with 1, it will be 1 upon 5 only, kg meter per second, equal to, it is 1.67 divided by 10 kg meter per second, plus 1 upon 5, or you can say v2 upon 5 kg meter per second. So it will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. It is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So it will be 5 is LCM, 1 plus 1 2, 2 upon 5 kg meter per second equal to 1.67 divided by 10 kg meter per second plus V2 upon 5 kg meter per second. Now this value will goes this side, so it will be 2 upon 5 minus 1.67 divided by 10. In bracket I am taking the unit kg meter per second equal to V2 upon 5 kg meter per second. So I will take the value as 10 is the LCM, 5 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 minus 1.67. In bracket it is V2 upon 5. Now 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Now you will see here it is 4 minus 1.67. If it is like 4, it is 1.67. 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 6 3, and 3 minus 1 2, 2.33. It is 2.33 divided by 2. That is the value of V2. So if I divide 2 1 2, so it will be 2 1 2 point 2 1 2 and 13 2 6 12. So it is 1.16 meter per second. That is the V2 velocity, that is the velocity considered to be the final velocity for object 2. So this way we need to solve this question. Hopefully all the students will understand about it.